You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. There are more videos for you. At the end of this one, the German pronunciation is as Kleiman. Kleiman. In English, it's more commonly pronounced as Kleiman, but some may say it as Kleiman too. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from? Let us know what is your preferred or your pronunciation in the comments. Kleiman or Kleiman? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.